previously been out here and it's been all dry. But we're all wet, sorry. Oh, number one. Get running. You gonna help me with this one as well? This is a special one. I'm gonna cop grief for this. Go Rory. I don't know if you can do that with your Capra, mate. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Maybe not. Oh, Simon's embracing you. Oh, that's the strongest rock tower ever. So just so you know, this is vandalism, alright? If people get lost out here, they won't know, they won't see the rock plants to find their way home. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was weak. Oh, it's clean, Simon. Yeah, because that's what my dodgy servo needs right now. It's water, but it's rough. I've got it up like halfway up my windscreen out there, so it does get it here, but not deep, but a little bit.
Your waterproof box, is it? Yeah.
Actually, I don't know if the ESC on this, the stock Axial one's very waterproof.
Yeah. As long as it's got no fan on it, it's fine. I've got a car.
Love on this brutal terrain, eh? With a skinny body. You going all the way out there, Robbie?
I was going to see how far I could go.
Okay, it's full 11 litre time.
And then you come across to here. That's a tricky line, and then but the next bit is to come up over here. Look at that. And then down here.
Right from there, across there or down there?
Down the slopey bit there to where Robbie is. That's it, thank you. And this bit I haven't done yet, Robbie, it's so tricky. You see what I'm talking about? Oh yeah, Gravedigger style. And then you just come off. Yeah, oh, yep. And then down the ramp, you're done. You're done the line. You stay there. So we get past Robbie. It's a tricky step down, I reckon, when you go that way more. Oh!
Nothing has the focus.
looks like.
See what the fucking Andy does yet.
Yeah.
Over the top of all of us.
Yeah, no, he's doing good. Do you like the line?
Oh yeah.
That's a good one, eh?
Yeah.
I just saw it all just like.
We're filling in the cavities and he's going to go over the top.
Binding in that rear hole.
Oh, careful, that's an Axial snapper.
Yeah, that's it. That's the competition.
Might get it.
Nah, that's the competition order. Simon, Funky, Mikey.
Yeah, well done.
Alright, let's get away from this cliff.
That little bit more flex, Frank. When I dropped it off, my wheel was actually allowed to
Drop into the hole.
That was brutal. Come over here, Simon, have a look what you did.
That'll buff out.
the ledge.
So like this part of the line was the trickiest. You had to get down onto here.
Oh, just go straight into
Yeah, you just fucking windshielded on there.
Ah, well, why not? Why not?
What are you doing up there, Frankie? I just had a couple of people asking about the car. I should have done drive up here for them.